Orere riboti ya BBI erigereirwo kunianwo kuri President Uhuru Kenyatta acoka kuma bũrũri-inĩ wa Russia kiumia twerekeire iramukirwo na kureganwo nayo na gĩthimi kĩiganaine. Atongoria amwe marauga BBI niyo itumite bũrũri ukorwo uhoreire na andu makahota gutwarithia na mbere maundu mao gutari na inegene na koguo yagirirwo ni kwamukirwo na moko meri.
Na tukorwo kindu kimwe na tukorwo ni turaiguana ithuothe tukorwo tugicia wega wa bũrũri uyu.
No kuri angĩ marauga riboti ino ndikinyanĩire na ona thutha wayo kunianwo kuri president ni magĩrĩirwo na gutigia mweke wa gwika mogarũrũku.
We want to enrich it because iko vitu zingine labda watu hawasungumuzi ambazo tunataka tusungumuzie. Mambo ya health, county government zimefail. Our health has collapsed everywhere in the country. Uregani munene wigie BBI ukioneka kwegemerio mwena wa kiuteti na ithenya-inĩ riu atongoria amwe marauga Kenya ni mekwaga kuona mawega maingĩ maria mari riboti-inĩ ino.
Kiundu giki kiaumire out of an electoral process. Kuna kio siasa ironekana. Na gwacoka gwakorwo Kenya kwina siasa tutikinyete ya siasa oria thira tukiuga nyameria ikanua tio itaga mundu neria ithanine.
Mubunge wa Budalangi Rafael Wanjala augite hamwe na maundu mangĩ maria magĩrĩirwo ni kurorwo ni mubango wa wathani wa matura tondu kuringana nake katiba iria bũrũri wa Kenya ũrahuthira iri na utiganu na kiria kiarĩrĩirio Bomas.
We want members of parliament ndio wakuwe ministers. The current ministers are not in touch with the problems of Kenyans. They don't know. They don't know completely. So we want those positions back to parliament so that people who are elected are answerable to the people instead of the president just picking his friends and who are not answerable to the people.
Riboti ino ya BBI ikaneanwo kuri president na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga na thutha ucio maniane mwerekera wa gukinyaniria mendekithia mayo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Gathoni Wajihia.